Back at you again. I got the Nissan 2.4 engine, 4-cylinder. I cleaned my block. I got my main bearings lined up. I got my old bearings out. I'm about to install my bearings and crankshaft. 1993 Nissan D21 hard body pickup, 2.4 engine. These are the bearings. On this particular crank, they cut it 0.010. Main bearing. Alrighty, I got my bearings in. I'm about to set my crankshaft in and then install the main caps. Alrighty, got my crankshaft in. Next, I got to torque it, but that's the rotating assembly for the 2.4 engine. Alrighty, I got my pistons ready for the 2.4 1993 Nissan engine. I'm about to install my piston rings. These are Hastings rings, and this is the part number. Alrighty, I got my pistons in. Block home. Crankshaft is in.